On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk woman plays dumb after ramming police on highway.
We got her stopped. And she's hit my car. Turn your car off! Turn your car off!
Uh-oh.
Keep your hands up!
Cop ready to put her in the dirt.
Up! All the way! Keep your hands right there where you see them! Oh, you got me? Open your door. Open your door. Open your door. Open your door. Get out of your car. Get out of your car. Stand in front of my car.
Sure.
Stand in front of my car. Right here. What is your name?
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. Any idea why you and I are talking?
No.
You have no idea?
No.
Do you see all these cars going towards you? Mm-hmm. Who's going the wrong way? Is it them or is it you?
Probably me.
Probably or you, or it is you?
Probably me.
Okay. Then what's up when we pulled in front of you and you kept going? What was that about?
I was just trying to stop.
Well, I was in front of you.
Okay.
So how are you trying to stop?
I was just trying to stop.
You reversed.
You were trying to get away.
No, I
You
was just
literally
trying.
reversed into my unit.
Okay.
Okay. You think it's cool?
No.
Okay. Did you have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Where's your ID?
It's in my purse.
It's okay. Okay. Whose car is this?
It's my car.
Okay.
Stay right there. Sure. Stay right there.
Sure. You have really pretty eyelashes.
Thank you.
You know how the girls do. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work, man. You going to jail, man.
You're really
Going to
lucky
jail.
that you didn't get in a car accident.
I know. I agree.
You're really young to be almost putting yourself in that much danger.
What's gonna happen?
So he's gonna probably run you through some tests.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you can cooperate?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be cool with you, you know.
Of course.
Whatever happened right now, that's done, right?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay. So he's gonna have you walk over there to the front of his unit if you would.
Okay.
It's right here.
Okay.
Okay, so where are you coming from?
Dirty Bourbon.
Dirty Bourbon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How'd you get on I-40?
I took Montgomery to Paseo. I live on like Paseo and Universe.
Paseo Universe, like on the west side?
Yeah.
Okay. Which way are you heading now?
This way.
You heading this way?
Like Paseo and Universe, yeah.
Which way is your car heading?
Right now it's heading west.
It's heading west?
Mm-hmm.
In the eastbound lanes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I know.
Nowhere, okay, so right
It's
now...
not, I know.
So right now, we are really nowhere near
No,
Paradise, right?
I know.
Isn't it over there?
Yes.
Okay. So you're at Dirty Bourbon?
Yes.
Okay. So when did you get on the wrong side of the roadway? Do you know that?
I do know that.
When?
Probably going westbound I-40.
Does it make sense?
I know. It's literally just like my wrong bad with directions.
Okay.
You know what's crazy? I've seen Sarge body cam before. There's another body cam on that we did a while back. I don't know when it was, but cause the sternness, I remember him. But yeah, he no joke, man. He's just a straight shooter right down the middle.
Well, you know, your wrong bad directions or whatever you want to call it could have killed somebody.
I know.
Or yourself. Or us. Or me. Or my partner.
I know, and I don't want that.
Well, nobody wants it, but it happens, okay? How much did you drink today? And be honest with me.
No, I'll be honest with you. I had like maybe 2 tequila sodas and like 1 tequila shot.
Okay. Do you think maybe that's why we're driving around the wrong way on the roadway?
I didn't put my directions in, so probably.
Do you favor, sit right here on my light?
Okay.
Stand on my light.
Okay.
You're trying to face me. Heels and toes together. Hands at your sides. Any major head injury, Jacqueline?
No.
See my finger? Follow my fingertip with your eyes only. Don't move your head.
Okay.
This hand's gonna move from your left to your right. Just follow it the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Nope. Keep your nose facing my nose.
Okay.
Okay. Pretty simple task, right? My finger is going to go back and forth from your left to your right. Okay. Start at my fingertip. Please don't anticipate the movement, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, remember your nose, face my nose.
Okay. I promise I'm just scared. I'm not drunk.
You're scared?
I am.
If you're scared, imagine how we feel when we see lights going the wrong way.
I know. I know. I know, I know, I know, I know.
Jacqueline, any problems walking, balancing, or turning?
No.
You have heels on, right? Or boots?
A little bit, yeah.
Do you want to take those off? Because you have to do some walking and balancing tests.
No, I'm good.
You're good? Okay.
Yeah.
Stand right here. Let me, there's wait there. There's little pebbles. Let me get these pebbles out of the way. Okay, Jacqueline, do me a favor. Put your heels and toes together like my feet are. Can you imagine a straight line from your left foot to my right foot? No, Jacqueline. Just imagine Can you imagine a straight line? No. I don't know why you're walking. Get back.
Okay.
Just imagine a straight line.
I'm sorry, Irvin.
Okay, gotcha. Can you imagine a straight line?
Yeah.
Okay. The line with your foot or your shoe, which is about 4 inches wide.
Okay.
Jacqueline, do me a favor. On that imaginary line, place your left foot just like this. Go ahead. Now place your right foot. Okay, don't move. Just like this. Hands on your sides, and do not move until I tell you to. Do you understand? Ma'am, when I tell you to begin, and only when I tell you to begin, you will take a series of 9 heel-toe steps down that line. Look, just like this. Watch me. Don't start. Just like this. 3. I took 3. You'll take 9. Okay? Jacqueline, during this test, hands at your sides. Look down at your feet while you count, and count out loud so I can hear you.
Okay.
Also, once you start this test, don't stop until you've completed it. And don't forget to touch heel to toe in every single step.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Do you fully understand?
Yes.
Okay. Jacqueline, this next step will be step number 1. Go ahead and begin. Took 10 steps.
That was 9.
That was 9? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then I said, do what? Okay. Turn and face me. Mm-hmm. Heels and toes together. Hands at your sides. Next test called the one leg stand. Okay, when I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is raise a leg of your choice, either your left leg or your right leg, approximately 6 inches parallel with the ground.
She gonna sleep good when she get down there to the county or down there, whatever, booking, whatever. She gonna sleep like a baby, man. That's the thing with a lot of these drunk people, because they gotta go anyways to sleep it off, right? Or to whatever, for it to wear off so they can sober up a little bit more. But man, I can see in her eyes, she gonna get there and just knock out. Big Bertha gonna wake her up. Hey, girl. You know, and she just gonna look and go right back to sleep.
Okay.
Do you know what the word parallel means? Okay. Do you know how tall roughly 6 inches is?
No.
Roughly the size of a Coke can, roughly.
Okay.
Okay. Watch me. Don't start yet. Jacqueline, what I'm gonna do is I'm not sure what I want you to do. My hands are at my sides. Don't start yet. I'm gonna raise my left leg. Okay. My left leg's fully extended. My toes pointed. Both feet are straight. My foot's about 6 inches parallel with the ground, which means level. Once your foot is raised, count like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Just keep on counting until I tell you to stop counting.
I'm just really nervous.
Gotcha.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So, Jacqueline, during the test, keep your hands directly at your sides.
Okay.
Look down the foot that's elevated and count out loud.
Okay.
Hold on. Any questions for me?
No.
Do you fully understand?
Yes.
Okay, you can start when you want, and I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, I'll start.
Sure, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Are you done? You done? Mm-hmm. Okay, because I didn't say stop, remember?
Okay. 23.
You want to stop?
24.
So, let me start you big. Mm-hmm. You said that you are nervous. Mm-hmm. Is that why maybe you didn't do very good on these tests? Okay. Did you go to high school? College? Mm-hmm. Okay. So between elementary and college, you learned your alphabet? Your English alphabet?
Yeah, what?
You learned your English alphabet?
Mm-hmm.
Did you learn how to count backwards? Mm-hmm. Okay, count backwards from the number 58 to 43. Backwards.
58 to 43? 56. 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40.
Are you done? Okay. Alphabet. Recite.
See, people like to always do the extra stuff as if that's going to get you brownie points. It's to get you to follow directions. You cannot follow directions. He told you to count from such and such to such and such, and you da 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 da. Just it's the same thing with like the walk and turn test. Sometimes we see people, hey, take 9 steps, and you'll see people, they'll do 9. They'll be like, here's 9. 10, 11, 12. Like, it's not the time for games. I like this Sarge because he's a straight shooter, man. That's how I knew it was gonna be like that. I seen another one of his before. He's right down the middle, man. No joke. Probably military dude.
Them forward from the from the letter H as in Henry, stop at the letter R as in Robert.
H, I, B, C, D, E, F, Q, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Q.
Everybody loves elemental P, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody loves elemental P, man. Hey. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, elemental P. Like, yo, yeah, okay.
Q, R.
Okay. Walk straight to the front of the police car.
Okay.
All the way up. Thanks. Okay, put both hands behind your back. Okay, Miss Archibald, listen to me right now. I'm about to tell you something very, very important, okay?
Okay.
You see this hand? You are under arrest for driving while under the influence of intoxicating liquor and or drugs.
Okay.
The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood.
Okay.
After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test.
Okay.
If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who's employed by a hospital, or a physician of your own choice to perform additional chemical test.
Okay.
The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency, which is us, the New Mexico State Police.
Okay.
Ms. Archibald, do you agree to take our test? At which time I'm asking for a breath test.
Yes.
Wait, what did he say?
Our test, at which time I'm asking for a breath test.
Yes.
Okay. Open your mouth. Do you agree to take our test? At which time I'm asking for a breath test.
Yes.
Okay. Will be paid for by the law enforcement agency, which is us, the New Mexico State Police.
Okay.
Oh, New York State. Oh, okay. That's okay. That's why you straight shooter. Yeah, represent, man. We here, New York in the building. Yeah, all right. Yes, sir.
Ms. Archibald, do you agree to take our test? At which time I'm asking for a breath test.
Yes.
Okay. Open your mouth. Lift your tongue. Is there anything in there? Okay. Stand right here and face my car. Anything on you?
No.
Are you wearing a bra?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just gonna check, make sure that you. Okay. There's nothing. Okay. Come back here with me.
I'm sorry. It's literally just finding the Paseo exit was like literally all of my mistake.
Yeah, you're not even close to Paseo right now.
Okay.
I mean, I think you realize that now, right?
Yeah. Am I agreeing to the breath?
To the breath test?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what you told me.
Okay.
But it's at the office. It's not here.
Okay.
Okay.
My car?
What's that?
My car?
It's gonna get towed. Okay. Straight in. There's gonna be a chair on your left. Just have a seat in that chair. Actually, let me pull it out for you. Hold on. Get you booked into jail, because this is not the jail. Get you booked into the jail. You'll be released there today, Friday. You'll be released. And you're gonna blow constantly until I tell you to stop. And I need 2 different breath samples. Okay?
Okay.
Oh no, hold on, not yet.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. What you do? You take a deep breath and blow constantly until I tell you to stop. Go ahead. Thank you. There's 1 sample. We'll do it again. Thank you. So both your scores were 0.19. Okay. Which means it's aggravated. Which means it's twice the legal limit. Okay. Which chair do you want to sit on?
Sit
Which actually here? Come to this chair. Your wrist. Do you need water or anything?
No, I'm okay.
You okay for now? If you need water, just yell.